I didn't break it. It just started smoking.
That's what you said about the toaster.
Okay, ow! That was not me. I can watch a tutorial. Easy fix.
Was it before or after it caught fire?
Just trust me.
Problem solved. I ordered a replacement.
Does it come with a fire extinguisher?
Ha, very funny. And ta-da! Wait.
Oh, no way! It's a coffee maker!
Of course it is.
Directed by Mohammed El-Damanhuri. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share.